Brad Williams, XL Prime. We're going to do some flooding here. What do I mean by that? We want to show only the nth word in a sentence. All we're going to do here is we're going to flood the spaces here with numbers, big numbers, and then we're going to trim. We're going to trim away all the junk. How are we going to do this? Here we have trim, mid, substitute. Then we have C5 blend. Well, go here. You're going to see here. You see how we're going to do this. This number 4 is critical. Here we have this mid, and then we have a text. We have the text. Then we have the number of characters. We have a start number and number of characters. Our number of characters will be the len. Breaking this down, right here we have len, which is 41. Our second argument is going to be, we have C5, which is 4, times len B5 plus 1. Well, we know len is 41. So now we're going to go 3 times 42, which is going to give us this huge number. Stop and think of what we're doing. That's the start number. That's the start number, 124. Why is it 124? Well, we'll get to that in a second. We've got this text, F9. We have this substitute, B5. B5, we're going to see this B5. Substitute the spaces with repeats. Repeat, that means we're going to fill in all these blanks, len B5. That means 41 times. We're going to put 41 spaces before a number. If we look at this thing, we can look at this entire thing, F9, and this is what it looks like. How does it translate? We wanted to find, we're going to look at the numbers here. This thing gets a little funky here. We can't get a number here, text. We're going to get this, which is fine. Here's our starting number. We want to keep 41. What we're looking at here is removing 124 minus 41. We're going to get rid of 83 characters. 83 characters to show that here we have 41 remaining. 41. In other words, we're getting rid of, you see this long string here? We put spaces in between each word. We're going to cut off, we're going to go up to random number, 124. That was just 3 times the length. It's going to take us out here somewhere, and we're going to get rid of everything to the right, starting at 124 minus 41. We want to keep only 41 characters. Because we're starting at 124, everything after 124 is gone. I guess that's the best way I can explain it. The final answer is idea after inserting trim. Read this. The write-up is comprehensive. Working backwards is probably the best approach. Brad Williams, XL Prime. Thanks for watching.